So Ashish, you also know that, we've been working together to create this curriculum,
Yeah.
very comprehensive curriculum, which will really prepare these health and wellness coaches to go out there and service the industry with the best possible skills, the best possible faculty, the best possible curriculum, as comprehensive as we potentially can. So what, according to you, makes this certificate, the Health and Wellness Coach Certification Program, offered collaboratively with Healthcare Sector Skill Council and Weljii, is unique in its offering? So for the audience, for them to know.
See, I think uniqueness of the certification comes from the fact that, health and wellness coaches are something new to our country, and people, not many people are aware about, health and wellness coaches, although there, as you mentioned briefly about it, that there are, pockets where people are doing this and people are aware, but there, as you're aware, that not many people are, doing this kind of a curriculum or a program which can be offered to the students today as an employment opportunity. So that's a uniqueness in the sense this is very new, first of all,
Yes.
for our country in that sense. That is one. Secondly, you had the international exposure to how this program is being run in the internationally in US and other countries probably, so which also brings us the international best practices of this program as well into the curriculum, which is being, I think, which is being brought into the curriculum as well now.
Yes.
We, as an, this collaboration will help, to create something which is best of best in class, or globally best, if I had to put it like that, and people can be trained on this. And as we speaking earlier, I think because this is going to meet the best standards globally, I think the opportunity for these people trained to go outside the country would also be higher. The opportunities globally would be much higher for them because the curriculum would be matched to the global curriculum. So I think that is definitely an added advantage for any student going through the certification as well. And in the current times, the best part about the, the program, I feel is it's online, which is the very good part about it, because the current time, it's very difficult to have physical classes, student coming to a classroom and then learn about it. Although you can maintain the social distancing, but if there's something which can be learned online, I think nothing like that. I think the best USP for this program in the current times would be that this can be offered online, and all the skill set can be provided online through mentoring, through the kind of material which is being provided to them, the videos which are given to them. I think that's a tremendous opportunity. And in general, if you look at today's scenario, any of the these sites which are providing these courses, online courses, they've already seen the uptake being rising like anything. So there's already a rise in uptake in terms of the people who are taking these courses, whichever courses they are offering, which is online. So I think people are looking forward to have these kind of programs which can be offered online, which they can do. So probably a lot of people have also lost their jobs right now, or may have been temporarily laid off. So probably they would like to acquire some skill set and see how they can use a skill set for their own benefit for sure. But as an employment opportunity also, maybe it's on a part-time basis and a self-entrepreneur kind of a thing. So I think if you look at from that perspective, this role is going to play a very important role. Anyway, for any reason, let's say the person doesn't want to go for a job around this, at least he or she has learned it for himself or family. So which is, at least they can take care of their family much better than what they could do, and sitting at their home as well. So it's not so difficult, and it's an economical program as well. And I am just wanted to quote the Honorable Prime Minister again, as we had recently our World Skills Day. I think he has emphasized on one thing. Skills is something which you have to keep on building on. The skills will always pay you in some time or the future. If not today, it will pay you in future. So you need to focus and re-emphasize on skilling, reskilling and upskilling yourself. And I think current time is a very good time to do that, because either we are working from home, people are trying to get back to their jobs now after the unlocking has started happening. But I think still people have now realized the importance of online training, online meetings, which were not so prevalent earlier. So now you see board meetings happening online. So I think we have now, in fact, in the healthcare, we are seeing teleconsultations have increased multifolds now. Earlier, nobody was willing to look at teleconsultation, barring few of them, because everybody wants to see the doctor face to face and then get the consultation. That's the kind of comfort level. But now that comfort, because of the situation, has changed drastically. people are feeling, more comfortable to do the consultation sitting at home and talk to their doctor. That saves them time, money, everything. And of course, they are not being infected by any of those. There are no possibilities of getting infected as well because they're at home. So I think we have seen a drastic change in times in this current scenario in terms of the way we work, the way we behave, the way we actually conduct ourselves at home, at businesses, at any manner. So, for example, I'm just quoting another example from my personal life. See, I see my kids now having online classes since morning till afternoon, which they used to go to school earlier. So yes, we initially had some problems, but now we are used to it, how this can be done more effectively, etc. So everything is moving to the online, and I think that's the best USP this program would have, that you could deliver this online. People can do this program sitting at their homes or wherever they are at their speed and time. So I think that would be great USP for this.